This 2025 Jayco Alante 27A is a Class A RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features a modern farmhouse interior, sleeps 8, awning, air conditioning, slide-out, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2025 Jayco Alante 27A is built on a Ford F53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.